A perfect snack in your everyday diet. Breakfast, lunch and dinner are the main meals if you want to keep a healthy diet. However, we often neglect the importance of snacks. The popular misbelief is that a snack can be less healthy if one keeps the major meals rather clean. However, do not run to the counter with sweet bars or cookies. You can enjoy a quick and healthy snack right at home. It will definitely taste as a cheat meal, but you won't gain extra calories. The snack is popcorn. Are you surprised? Homemade popcorn is the most useful and nutritious snack for you. The fast cooking of popcorn allows to save a huge amount of valuable substances necessary for the healthy tone of your body. The usefulness of popcorn lies in its nutritional composition and impressive content of vitamins. Popcorn contains group B vitamins. They control the accumulation of harmful cholesterol in the body cells, improve metabolism, and promote normal functioning of the nervous system. Popcorn is rich in magnesium, zinc, potassium, and iodine. Another benefit of popcorn is hidden in huge content of natural chemicals, polyphenols. These compounds are powerful antioxidants that prevent the development of cancer and heart disease. Popcorn is rich in fiber, proteins, and carbohydrates. It is widely used by nutritionists in the planning of weight loss programs because the flakes themselves are low-calorie, quickly fill the stomach, and blunt appetite. Plus, the dietary fiber will prevent the constipation. Popcorn is the 100% unprocessed whole grain, and this is what makes it so useful for your stomach. Just one average serving of popcorn contains more than 70% of the recommended daily whole grain intake. And last but not least, popcorn contains a lot of iron. 1 ounce bag of popcorn contains 0.9 mg of iron, while an adult person should consume 8 to 18 mg a day. The exact amount depends on sex. Men need less iron than women. Thus, eating 1 to 2 servings of popcorn, you can be sure that you will not develop an iron deficiency. Yeah, and do not forget, here we talk about the homemade popcorn. It is not a big problem to make it yourself. Cook popcorn in a frying pan rather than a microwave to avoid slightly burnt corns. Just take 3 to 4 tablespoons of kernels and fry them in a frying pan. You can add your favorite spices, a little bit of salt, cheese, pepper, or curry. To make it sweet, add cinnamon and a little bit of honey. Such popcorn will taste the same as at the cinema, while being far healthier. Still cannot accept that popcorn can be useful? Do try to cook the snack at home. Prepare a few servings at a time and just leave them in the kitchen. In a couple of days, you will notice that the amount of sweets in your diet decreases and that you do not overeat during the main meals. By the way, what is your favorite popcorn flavor? Adding just a slight pinch of salt makes your snack the healthiest. But what about those days when you want to pamper your appetite? Please share your thoughts in the comment section.